Yes.
Okay.
Tamam.
Very nice. Tamam. Now, you have all of the answers are in red in the verse. See if you can find the tamam within the Hebrew verse. It may be missing a letter, so it might be somewhat challenging, but see if you can pick it out.
Yeah, it is on line 2, the second word.
Well done. You want to give that one a try?
Yeah. Itam.
Yidam.
Idam.
And then you have to add the shuruk at the end. Yidamu.
Idamu.
Nice. Very nice. Yidamu. He will be silenced, or he will be. It actually has more of a meaning of he will perish in darkness. Let's try the next word. Kindly, Subi, could you read that one for us and the translation?
Gaval.
Nice, gavar. To conquer. And can we find that one in our verse?
Yes. Line 3. Igaval.
Very nice. Yigbar. Very nice. Yigbar. He will prevail, or he will dominate, or he will conquer. Let me see if I can get those guys out of the breakout room. I think what I'm going to do is close the breakout room, and that will essentially. Joseph, have you?
Yes.
Oh, okay. You've been so nice and quiet during the whole class. I didn't know whether you were still with us or not. I'm trying to get everybody to come back from the breakout room. Maybe I'll send you in there to tell them it's time to come back. Let me do that.
Oh, I'm recording. You can just close the breakout room so that they can join.
Okay. All right. That's what I'll do. So, Joseph, Subi gave us a couple of the vocabulary words in the verse.
Yes.
And Vinitha, you'll understand after a while how these go, but basically we have what are called in Hebrew shorshim. Shoresh means root. Shorshim is the plural roots. And we generally list those roots in red underneath the verse, and then we try and find those shorshim within the verse. So we found gavar and we found damam. Joseph, can you give us the third shoresh, the third red word, and then let's find it in the verse?
Yes, shamar, which means to guard.
Well done. Let's see if we can find shamar.
Yes, in the first line, the third word, we have shimor.
And we pronounce the full word, even if it's black and red, the full word kind
Yishmor.
Nice, very nice, Yishmor. He will guard. And the last vocabulary word is of noun. Kindly give that one. Right.
Pious person.
Pious person. And do we see that? Where do we see that word?
We see it in the second line. The first word, Bachoshech.
No. No, we're looking for Hasid. Let's
Hasid.
try again. Right.
Okay.
In the first line, second word.
I see Gideon has made it out of the breakout room. I was afraid maybe you would never come back, like you would be lost in the breakout room forever.
No. Yeah, so it is in the second word of the first line.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Very nice, Hasid. Let me point something out, because we've all been looking at vavs, and Subi, you'll enjoy this also. The confusion of a vav sometimes becoming a vowel, either a shuruk or a cholam, and sometimes it's pronounced as a vav. We've magnified the confusion in this verse by abbreviating what is usually a compound vowel, a complex vowel of a kamatz and a yud, and then a vav would make dav. We'd have chasidav, but we're missing the yud. Normally we have, as you can see here, we have kamatz yud vav, which is a suffix ending, which is his plural, his boats, his cats, his pious ones. The kamatz yud vav is his plural. The cholam at the end of a word means his singular, his cat, his bat, his book, whatever. So interestingly, in the Hebrew text, we're missing the yud, and we have the word chasidav without the yud. And the rabbis made something of this. They didn't just say, oh, that was a scribal error, but maybe that there was a message and that it was intentional. Why would we leave out the yud? It's to create some ambiguity. We could either understand this as his pious ones or his pious one. And it might take some thought to connect to this idea, but let me not paraphrase the rabbis. Let me just give it over to you. The word chasidav is at issue now. Why do we have the yud missing from dav, chasidav? Chasido kesiv. It's as if it is written chasido, because the Hebrew text was originally written without vowels, and it would look like, whoops, where'd my backspace go? I'm having a brain freeze here. It would look like that. The word would be without vowels, and you could easily imagine that this is pronounced chasido, his pious one. Chasido ketiv, it is written chasido. Chasidav keri, but it is read as chasidav. Bein yachid, bein rabim, to give us this ambiguity that it could either be a singular or a plural, his pious one or his pious ones. So this is something interesting that we could learn from the Vav tonight. Let's close with a recitation of the verse. And Gideon, why don't you give us the recitation of this verse, 1 Samuel chapter 2, verse 9.
Okay, thank you. Lay Hasidav Ishmar Uraim Bakosech Idamu Kilo Bekoach Yigbar Ish.
And this
Ish.
Right, Ish. This is a confusion because of the notes, the musical notes. Very nice. Very nice reading. Awesome reading. Very fluent and even some sense of understanding there. Be careful with your chets and your chafs that we don't get lazy. B'choshech and b'choach. Those very nice reading. Nice job. Subi, let's take, oh no, we already read that together. Anyway, very nice reading, very nice drill on everybody's part. And I would say that we had a good success with our breakout room tonight. How did things go with Maya, Gideon?
Yeah, it was very fine.
Good.
Though before, okay, like 1 minute before the end of, because before